Welcome to Cooking Light with Ann. Hi, this is Ann. We're cooking light with Ann. We're making chicken fajitas. So let's do it. We're starting with cooking light oil by Ann. 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon of garlic granules. Oregano, half a teaspoon. Paprika, teaspoon. Cumin, a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And of course, salt and pepper. And tortillas. And we've got a red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, and a lime from my garden. Cilantro, and 2 avocados. We're cutting the yellow bell pepper. Just cut it like this. Then we're cutting the membrane away. Okay, now we're cutting the yellow bell pepper in strips. We're cutting the red bell pepper. And as you can see, we have orange pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper. Look at the colors, it's vibrant. These foods are nutritious and good for you. Okay, we have them all cut up and we put them in our trusty bowl. Now for extra layer of flavor, and we're adding an Anaheim green pepper. We're adding flavor, we're taking out the seeds so we don't want to get it too hot. Cutting out the membrane. Okay, we've cut the Anaheim chili open, and it's these seeds nearest the top that is hot. So we're not going to include that. We're going to rinse these off, and they're just going to add flavor. Cut it about 1/4 of an inch thick. Put them in our trusty bowl. The next thing we're going to do is purple onion. We've cut our onion up, and now we're separating them. Into the bowl they go. We're going to cut some cilantro up, and this is for the end of the dish. Okay, this is the lime from my tree that I planted not that long ago. And we're just going to cut off the ends. And just before we put it in the oven, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 45 seconds and then squeeze away over the chicken and the vegetable. Here is 1 chicken breast, and we're going to trim it just a little bit with some of the fat going. You don't want this fat on your hips. And then we're going to slice. Now I'm going to make them thin. This is a simple recipe, and it cooks up fast, and you'll have leftovers. Okay, we're going to put the sliced chicken right into the bowl. Let them get happy. We're going to add the olive oil. Get everything covered in olive oil. Then we're going to take the garlic, the oregano, sofrito. Cumin. And the chili powder. And we're going to mix it up so it's all together. When it's all together, we're gonna sprinkle. So we're gonna add some salt. Let's sprinkle that on. Black pepper. Okay, now we have all the ingredients in there, and we're gonna mix it up, make it happy. Get it all mixed up. We're gonna add more of the seasoning. This really makes it taste yummy. Now you can see it makes a lot. So now we're going to add the ingredients to a parchment paper baking sheet pan. Spread it out because it's going to cook all at once in a 400-degree oven, which is waiting for these fajitas as we speak. Very colorful. It's chocked with vitamins, minerals, all that good stuff for your body. So the second to last step is that we're going to put it in a 400-degree oven. For 20 minutes. Okay, so while we're waiting, we're getting some tortillas from Trader Joe's. We have 3 gaps, so get 3 tortillas and offset them. Put it in your trusty little tortilla warmer, and you're going to pop these in the microwave for 40 seconds. And voila, they're going to be ready. So there's your chicken fajitas. It's a delicious meal. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye now.